Started off with Brick Carnal celebrating the big number 7. Brick, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday. Carry that into the weekend for me. Brick's in Erie.
All right, Case Keller turning 8 years old this year. Looks like we got a little Royals fan there. Happy birthday to Case in McCune.
New teenager on our hands. That will come in the form of one Mason Ferguson. Talk about carrying the hardware, kid.
I like that.
That's
awesome.
Great. Happy 13th to Mason in Moran.
In Girard, turning 20 this
Hey,
year.
who that is?
It's time to celebrate for Macy Reef.
Hey, you tell your mom I said hello. And also, too, how did you get to be 20, man? What happened? Happy birthday, Macy. 20, wow, that's crazy. Michaela Lowe, she is 23. A happy birthday to Michaela, and she is in Nevada.
Jacob LaRue.
The Honorable.
Yes, or shall we say
Mayor
LaRue.
I know, what do we say?
I like the Honorable. Mr. Mayor, I like that too.
Mr.
Mayor LaRue in
Go,
Chanute,
Mr. Mayor.
Kansas.
We'll do that.
Turning 29 years old. Happy birthday, Jacob.
Jacob, forgive me if I got the title wrong. I guess the Honorable, that's usually for judges. Mm-hmm. Mayor, Mr. Mayor, yeah. I like Mr. Mayor.
Mayor's kind of a title too.
Yeah, just call him Mayor LaRue.
There you go.
In Parsons, Susan Pena with the milestone. I love the balloons. Nicely done, Susan. That is awesome. And the outfit to match, how cool is that?
That's
Susan's celebrating number 30. She is in Parsons.
Right. Michael Clyburn celebrating birthday number 73 this year. Michael is in Galena.
In Crestline, we've got Barbara Duncan celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Barbara.
Greg Burton down in Baxter Springs. Birthday wishes going out to you.
Who we got there?
Stuffed animal sloth friend.
That's good. That's good. I guarantee you Greg has a sense of humor. I can tell by that. Jonathan and Jessica Hounshell, they're celebrating their 3rd anniversary. Congratulations to Jonathan and Jessica. They are celebrating in Carthage.
And we've got the Cleasons celebrating their 49th anniversary. Congrats going out to Joe and Beverly.
We'll just keep on. We're just going to keep on bringing back the Cleasons each week.
I like it.
I love that idea. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. It is now June the 10th. We are just flying by through this month. And remember, that's where you can send them into. Should you choose the email route, it is birthdays. Make sure you have an S on it. It's plural. Birthdays at koamtv.com. Or if you would prefer to go through our website, it is koamnewsnow.com/birthdays. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You could be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. Once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.